Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are with Ufuk and his Ringmaker for this video. Ringmaker is a compact, simple, low cost and extremely easy to use CNC machine for jewelry industry. Just get your Ringmaker and start with production of more than 2000 different models of wedding rings. Ringmaker is our starter machine and it's especially designed for flat rings and bangles. If you wanna do radius rings and bangles, we have a much more advanced machine, Bangle Master. But I wanna show you a little trick today that you can even make a round ring or bangle with a limited radius. Is it possible to make a radius ring with Ringmaker?
Of course, it is possible, but radius is limited. Today we will make half round shaped ring with using 4-axis CNC machine. First of all, we will make background design using CNC T4. After that, we will make nice design using CNC 0.2 mm line tools. After finishing, we will make nice design with using half round shape ring. Are you ready for the show?
I'm more than ready.
Let's go.
Wow, it was so cool.
Yes.
I want to see immediately.
It's ready.
Show me, my friend.
You can
show
check.
me. We use two tools in this ring. Background tool to give the round form, and then we finished our ring with our line tool to make this beautiful flower engraving. One big advantage using the round ring option of Ringmaker, you have two options. You can put your round rings which is already round, or you can put a flat ring and Ringmaker will convert it to another radius ring. Thank you very much for this beautiful ring. If you are interested in our Ringmaker CNC machine, our technicians and our sales guys are ready to help you.
You can see more different ring model on Bulunmaz Instagram account, also more videos on YouTube.
You can find many detailed information about our products on different digital platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter and others.
Thank you very much for watching us.
See you again in the next videos.